This video is very sad video, and I want to share with you my experience with my Chanel shoes repair, and the repair went wrong. Please guys, stay with me. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Oksana. If you love luxury items, if you love anything about the handbags, shoes, outwear, anything related to luxury and fashion, please consider subscribing to my channel because I definitely love fashion. And today I want to share my experience with my Chanel shoes repair. This is my Chanel shoes. I purchased them a while ago. I think it was last summer. I purchased these shoes and I love them absolutely very much, and nothing was wrong with those shoes. I just wanted to change the part of the sole. And first and most, I want to mention that this repair is not done inside the Chanel boutique. I just went to cobbler, who is specialized in the high-end repairs. He does Louis Vuittons, he does Louboutins, he does I don't know, Manolo Blahnik, like you name it, Gucci, etc. And actually I brought several pairs of the shoes, and all other pairs were actually quite okay, with the exception of my Chanel shoes. And not that the work itself not done correctly. I will show to you the sole is actually done quite nicely, and nothing was wrong on the inside of the shoe. But what went wrong, I think, when he was trying to cut this extra part, he actually cut the leather on the shoes itself. I'm gonna come a little bit closer to the camera and I will try to show you those damages. Do you see the cut over there? I hope that you can see. Like, you see the cut? That's how he cut actually the shoe. So the cut is there, and it's not only one side. Check this side. Check how badly the shoe is cut. This is actually cut through the leather. And I don't know if it's even possible to repair it right now after all this. I don't know, maybe glue it or whatever. I don't know really what to do, but this is like actual the cut through the leather. And I don't know what to do, honestly. Just leave it like that and continue to use them, or is there anything that I can actually do to repair? Because most likely when he was trying to cut that part of the sole, the repair sole, he cut the leather. And it's on this side, and I will grab another shoe. So this is the other shoe, and pretty much on the other shoe, let me see if it's focusing. And you can see on this shoe also there is a little bit of damage as well. So pretty much both shoes are pretty much badly damaged after this repair, and I actually pay money for this repair. And these shoes are gorgeous. Like, you can see 3 camellias right on top, and the small CC logo right there. You can see Chanel, and inside it's also absolutely gorgeous quilting. The heel is very comfortable, like, you know, for everyday wear. Anyway, so I don't even really know what to do with these shoes right now. So this one is damaged way worse comparing to this is the right pair and this is the left one, and the left one is really damaged very badly, extremely badly. I don't know what to do, like especially this part. Like, I will show you once again. Especially this part, I will show you once again. Let me just see if it's focusing. Like, you see how big is that cut? You can see inside. Anyway, that's what's happening over here. I need to know, guys, your opinion. Should I actually do anything about it or just continue to use? And, like, you know, as long as I can. And it was funny because there were nothing wrong with the shoe. I just thought, like, you know, I just gonna take it to cobbler in the sense that I'm gonna protect my shoes and I can use them longer. But see what's happened. You know, sometimes with the good intentions, we're doing the worst things possible to ourselves and to our items. So anyway, that's my repair of Chanel shoes. Please share your experience if you ever had, like, you know, repair like that got wrong, and if you did anything about it, because once again I have to stress out that it's not done inside the Chanel boutique, because obviously they don't do these things inside the Chanel boutique. I went to the very reputable cobbler, and that's what happened. You know, that's unfortunately what happened, and I don't really know what to do. Anyway, my repair gone wrong. Don't know what to do. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments about my sad experience with Chanel shoes repair, please put your comments below, and I definitely want to see you again on my channel. Bye bye.